Well, about this issue, in fact, yes, I think CM or Honorable CM has already given the statement that yes, we are even examining if the Act 2025 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, whether we can also maybe cope in some kind of provision over there to implement it, maybe just like ILP type of. But that again, we have already referred this details of the provisions in the latest Act 2025, Foreigners and Immigration Act, passed by the Parliament, to be again looked into by the Advocate General and their team of legal experts.
So coming to Assam Meghalaya border, we have seen my colleague recent incident. These borders commissions are very common, sir. So what is the take of the commission?
Well, in fact, as of now, I don't say that it is out of control, but it it's happening everywhere where the misunderstanding takes place. But again, let me tell you one thing. Right from that time when we constituted this regional committee in both sides of the states, we could see lot of improvement has happened. And in my colleague, I think we have seen it that the uh, residents of Assam, they did not allow erection of electric pole in that area, but ultimately we have instructed our GC to have a meeting with his counterpart, and even not only that, we went ahead by having a peace committee of those villages, and now everything is resolved, and even the erection of the electric pole is allowed by Assam.
So, related question, there is a demand for conducting SIR in the place.
Come again?
SIR, sir.
Demand for conducting SIR in Aravalli.
Yes, that SIR is again, it is the subject of election commission. The moment we receive the notification, we have to implement it. And I think that is a welcoming step. Why not?
So, sir, by when means the state government is likely to decide on anything on the election in GT?
Election in Karuil's Autonomous Council, hopefully very soon you will know that. Once the government takes a decision, once the cabinet takes a decision, so you will be.
So,
you will
is
be
there any plan to postpone the election?
No, the question of postponement doesn't arise.
So one last question.
Because see why? Let me tell you one thing, that the term of the Garo Hills Autonomous Council is ended on the 18th of April. So well before that, election process has to be completed.
So one last question. What is the latest? You can tell us about the Rajabala. What is the latest?
Rajavla's situation. Right now, the situation is calm, is peaceful, and we also instructed the DC to have a peace committee over there. And right now, nothing happened, and I could see that the situation is totally now normal.
How many total arrests made so
far? More than 6%. So let us see. Let the law take its own.
Related to arrest, so you have completely